Morning. Hey, Celeste. I'm trying to get this box open. So I started vacation today. Not like it's a week long or nothing. Going on vacation for the weekend. But I just got home from the salon from the few clients that I did have this morning. And my package came. So I figured I would share with you guys me opening it since y'all voted for me to win. Y'all, I'm getting this box so fast, but I can't. Like, it's taped for dear life. So for y'all that don't know, I entered Mizani's Blowout contest. And I won with the help of everyone that voted for me. And this is the size of the box. It's huge. Don't mind all that dust. This is on my patio. Hey, Janae. So it's something nice, little personalized card. And it just says, "Hi, Trail. Congrats on winning our Pro Blowout contest. Your transformation was truly remarkable. We hope you enjoy the Thermo Smooth system and look forward to hearing and seeing your feedback. Also, hope you enjoy the Dyson's blow dryer and SalonCentric gift card. All the best." From the digital team at Mizani. I got their business card and my $100 on this gift card. There's like a lot of stuff in this box. Hey to the little monkey or whatever he is, just chilling on the patio with me. buy one their whole Thermal Smooth collection. So I got this big old bottle of shampoo. It says step 1, the Smooth and Complex shampoo. And then this is step 2, the conditioner. Lots of bubble wrap. I also this is all the same product. I got 4 bottles of the finishing spray. Step 4 is the Shine Extends. It's anti-humidity spritz. So I might have to give away a free blowout to try out these products, because I kind of live by the products that I use right now. But I think I'm gonna do a giveaway for a free blowout to test out these products. Excuse the noise, y'all. It's all the bubble wrap. And this is step 3, the prep. It's the Smooth Guard. It's the smoothing serum. Got 4 bottles of that. Yo, y'all just understand. Y'all votes really hooked me up. And then I got 4 tubes of the Style and Style Again Heat Activated Style Memory Cream. So I'm definitely going to check that out. I don't know if it's a part of the blowout steps though, because the shampoo and the conditioner both had steps on it. Step 1, step 2. The serum had step 3. Finishing step had step 4. But this one just says Style and Style Again. I don't know. Gotta do some research. And then okay, so there's 2 step 3s. This step 3 is for 1 set of curl types. And then I have 4 tubes of another step 3, which is for a different set of curl types. Whoa! And then I also won this blow dryer. It is the Dyson Supersonic Intelligent Heat Control for Shine Powerful Digital Motor. Y'all, this blow dryer is valued at, I think it was like almost $400. I would have never purchased this on my own, but since I got it for free, well, not really for free, I won it. So once again, thank you guys for your votes, because without y'all votes I wouldn't have won. But I am excited. Like, it says engineered for professionals, not for resale. I wouldn't resell it anyway, but I am, y'all, this is dope. I ain't never won nothing before, if y'all can't tell, because like I was super excited to win. I want to hold the blow dryer in my hand. Like, I have been waiting for this price, and I don't even know how long it's been in my office, my apartment office. All my packages go to the office, and they don't notify you when you get packages. And it comes in this really sleek box. You won't let me in. Y'all, look at this. This is the blow dryer. Right here. This is what a $400 blow dryer looks like. It has a nice little concentrator that should do well for my blowouts. And then it has a diffuser This is really dope. Like, they engineered this. The motor is in the hand of this blow dryer. Like, do you see this? This is the blow dryer right here. This is like half the size of my current blow dryer. It is extremely light. So I'm definitely ready to try this out once I get back from vacation. Because as of right now, but as of 11 o'clock today, I am on vacation. Like, I don't never take time off, but I'm doing it this weekend. Yeah, so this was like the big shebang of the win. But I also won, like I said, a $100 gift card to SalonCentric, which is a store for professionals only. I don't think there's one in the area. I know there's stores that's linked to them, so I need to find out where I can use this gift card to begin with. I only got my box all dirty from the dust and the pollen that's on my patio. I can't get it back in. So I'm about to turn the camera around for everybody that just, you know, tuned in to see all of my winnings. Don't judge where I'm recording this at right now, because it is Dyson. See? Dyson Supersonic is the professional, it's the pro version of it. See? It's very much so Dyson. And it's all mine, so I don't have to pay a dime for it. So, this is their whole ThermoSmooth setup. So I got one big bottle of the shampoo and the conditioner, which is step 1 and step 2. Then I have, where is it? I'd have lost it in life. Step 1, step 2. Then there's 2 different step 3s, which is this one for different curl types. Then this is the step 3 as well. It's a smoothing cream. It's for a different curl type. Then they have step 4, which is the Shine Extend. What else? Right at my gift card. Can't lose my gift card. That's where the money at, y'all. We talking about. And I got 4 bottles. I got like 4 of each item out of the collection, except the shampoo and conditioner. I guess they figured it gave me a big enough bottle. It's 33.8 ounces in the shampoo and conditioner. Y'all don't judge me with all this dust and pollen, because I'm literally on my patio right now. So there's dust everywhere, because I don't dust outside. Who's coming outside to dust? Not me. And I also got, there's $100 on this gift card right here. And then there's this product here is the Style and Style Again. It's a heat activated. Let's see if it'll focus. Focus, young grasshopper. The Style and Style Again heat activated memory. So I got 4 tubes of that. 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner, 4 of step 1. I mean 4 of step 2. No, 4 of step 3. Both versions of it for the different curl patterns. And then I have 4 of the finishing sprays. Right? I haven't used this line before, so I'm definitely excited to use it. I'm thinking about doing a free blowout giveaway. Hopefully my current clients will participate, because I'm kind of in love with the products that I use for my blowouts now. That I've been using them for about 2 years. I've been using the same products for my blowouts. And then this blow dryer as well came in. So they hooked the sister up. Y'all, it is hot in Houston. And I got these braids in. And I don't know how long I'm going to make it in them. But I needed to do my hair. And this was like the quickest thing that I can do. They crochet, so they literally didn't take me that long. I was up to 2:30 this morning doing my hair, because I know I had other stuff to do. Still haven't packed yet, and we're supposed to be leaving in a few hours. So I have to, not only do I have to pack, I gotta go finish washing and drying clothes before I pack. I'm all greasy. I went to work this morning. I did one client because I didn't officially close off my books because I hadn't decided if I was actually going on vacation or not. But I did decide to go. And I'm glad I didn't cancel. It was the first time client came in today. She was just getting a twist out. Her baby shower for her first baby is this Sunday. So, you know, I was thrilled that she chose me to do her style for her baby shower. And it's her first kid. But yeah, so now I have to go continue with life and wash and pack clothes for me and my son for vacation. Bye.